Hello, 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 hello. Good evening to everybody. Can you hear me? Can you hear me? Hello, 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 hello. Anybody tell me? It is audible? Hello, hello. Yeah. Yesterday onwards, we are starting our regular sessions. Without any knowledge also, yesterday directly technically I am starting. What I am telling, this is a database software. If you want to communicate with that software, two-step process, I am telling connect and communication. In a connect step, some tools are there. That is a SQL Plus tool is a default tool. I am telling only this is a client tool. And also once you are installing a Oracle software, then automatically how we are opening a what SQL Plus tool in 19C side and prior to 19C, 10G, 11G, 12C side, I am telling only in a previous class. But how we are installing a what Oracle software, that is important. But before we are installing a Oracle software, some other knowledges are required. That purpose, I am telling about something, then installation I am telling only, then only easily understandable all the things. Concentrate here, observe it here. Suppose anybody attending a yesterday class, observe it here. I'm installing a Oracle software already. In a next class side, you are also installing, don't worry. Observe it here. Whenever I'm installing a Oracle software here, Oracle DB 19C, here SQL Plus is there. Okay, fine. This is SQL Plus tool. Through this tool only, daily, I am also here also, employees also connect to the where server by using username and password. What is the default username? Anybody have an idea? Tell me. What is the default username in a Oracle side? Suppose I want to connect MySQL database. They are giving a what some default username and password. I want to connect SQL Server database, then they are giving username and password. Same like Oracle side also, they are giving a what? Some username and password only. What is the default username and password? Default username. Anybody have an idea? Very good. One fellow is telling about Murali sir, maybe Scott is a default username. They are telling, okay, maybe academic career side, they are good only. Scott is a default username and press enter key. Here password is tiger. They are telling only, okay, fine. Yes, here like this. But unfortunately, what the problem is, this is not a default username. This is not a default password. What is this one? So many fellows are telling what in a worldwide Oracle you are installing me. Scott is a username and password tiger. Maybe they are typing only. Yes, that is connect to the where server. I am agree, but that is not a default username. Why I am giving a guarantee that is not a default username means I will tell you. Actually, so now why so many fellows are in our class? They are telling what Scott is a default username means that much a powerful, popular user, that one extra user but powerful tool. Okay, user extra user provided by Oracle Corporation, HR user, Scott user. Maybe that is a popular user, that's why maybe so many fellows are Scott, they are telling a default user. No, Scott is a popular user, I'm agree. Scott is a extra user. Why Scott user is a popular means in a Scott user, Oracle provided a predefined tables, practice purpose. Some tables they are giving only in that user only, that tables are there. Through the tables only daily we are practicing. EMP table is there, DEPT table is there, sal grade is a table is there, bonus is a table is there. So many predefined tables are there. These are popular Scott schema tables. Based on these tables only, now here, yes, this user is popular really. That's why so many fellows are telling what Scott is a default user, they are telling. But Scott is not a default user. This is extra user only. But what is the default user means? Observe it here. Default user is not a Scott only. Anybody have an idea? This is extra user. And now here, what is the default user? Anybody? Very good. What is the default user in a where in a Oracle side? In a Oracle you are installing means default user is what? A system. Very good. System is a default user. Otherwise, sys is a default user. Don't worry. And password is installation time. Whatever password you are giving, only that password. Otherwise, old and is version side manager is a password. This is a default username. System is a default username. In this user, there is no predefined tables. Don't worry, practice tables are not there. But how you are understandable this default user, extra user, and all these things confusing. That's why what I am telling me is, yes, how I am intimating to you. So now here, yes, this is a Scott is not a default user. System is a default user means 1 minute observe it here. Suppose you are also your friend also installing a Oracle softwares in their systems. Suppose you are also installing Oracle software, your friend also installing a Oracle software in their laptop, for example. Suppose once you are installing means you are connected to the server by using a tool, any tool only, username Scott and password is Tiger you are giving. But unfortunately, this is working. For example, this is working only. Scott user is working in your system. Suddenly, your friend also installing a what Oracle software. Some fellow is giving a what that software only. For example, yes, unfortunately, he is entering a what username Scott and password is Tiger. He is entering means it is not working. That's why this is not a default user. Some software side working Scott user, some software side not working in a Scott user means that is not a default user. But unfortunately, yes, system user, you are okay. Anybody installing a Oracle software, anybody giving award that software also, either net from the net you are downloading, otherwise live SQL, otherwise this one, anywhere also means system you are giving award username, password is installation time giving password, otherwise old and is manager password. Again, here also system password you are giving working. That's why any type of software also, Oracle software, some type of softwares are there. In that one, system user is working. That's why system is a default user. But that is never popular. Sys is a default user is there. System is a default user is there. Password is there. Installation time given password. But how you are understandable? Why I am telling that one repeatedly means reason is there. Actually, now screen observe it. Screen observe it here. Oracle software is there here, screen observe it. What is this one? Anybody read this one? Enterprise edition. Okay, fine. Oh, maybe something is there. Now we observe it here. Suppose I'm a first time newcomer. I'm opening a Google, for example. I'm interested to download a Oracle software, for example. Okay, fine. I'm a first time newcomer. Yes, I am typing a what Oracle software downloads. I'm typing, for example. Okay, fine. Whenever I'm typing a what Oracle software downloads, observe it here, screen observe it. Here database option is there. Here. Something is displayed. Database Express Edition. What is this one? Again, database Enterprise Edition. What is this one? These editions knowledge you have an idea, then you are understandable. Oh, maybe this one is default user, this one is extra user, easily understandable. Actually, whenever you are installing a what Oracle software, okay, maybe that is an Enterprise Edition, maybe that is an Express Edition. In Enterprise Edition and Express Edition also default user is system, password is installation time given password. In Enterprise Edition only, extra user they are giving HR user and Scott users are available in Enterprise Edition only. What is these editions? What is that one means? I will tell you. Once you are okay good at what that editions, then only your installation starting only. Why? Because which edition you are installing means I will tell you. I am preferring Enterprise Edition because main edition that one. Suppose those all the things slowly you are understandable. Now then installation I am starting. Okay, yeah. Up to yesterday you are writing this one. Now here write it, enter username. Okay, username, write it, username. In a future usernames, passwords you are familiar. Username, system. Password means olden days manager. Okay, 11G, 10G like that. But here installation time given password nowadays. Installation time, which password you are giving, I will tell you. You are forgetting that password also not a problem. How can I open that one? I will tell you. Installation time, given password. This is write it. Nowadays installation time, given password. Write it. Whenever I'm installation, I'm telling me in that one, some password you are giving, no, that one nowadays. But olden days manager something is there. Don't worry. System side, okay. Finished. Now this one I want only. Actually, every Oracle either 19C you are download it, otherwise installing in your system or 10G or 11G or okay, so now here 18C, is 21C also. Two types of editions they are giving only. One is Express edition, another one is Enterprise edition. Okay, now what is those editions? Some slight business side differences I will tell you. That is helpful only. Okay, na? Yeah. Actually, 4 editions are there, but 2 editions I'm telling on outside. Write it. Write it next para. Every Oracle version. Write it this theory. Every Oracle version means 10G, 11G, 12C, something is there, no? That is version, okay. Every Oracle version having following editions. Every Oracle version having following editions. These are 4 editions are there, but 2 editions I'm telling because outside person. Every Oracle version having following editions. These are first one Express edition, second one Enterprise edition. Which edition you are downloading, I will tell you, don't worry. First one Express edition, second one Enterprise edition. Every Oracle version having following editions. These are first one Express edition, second one Enterprise edition. First one Express edition, second one Enterprise edition. In these 2 editions, by default username is system. In these 2 editions, by default username is system and password is manager. Okay, up to some stage manager, write it. Okay. In these 2 editions, write it. In these 2 editions, by default username is system and password is manager. Okay, now these edition knowledge you have an idea means then installation I'm downloading and how installation I will tell you because which edition, which advantages I will tell you. Okay, na? Yes, now check it out. One by one editions I'm telling. Business side I'm telling that is better. Why? Because first time, no, suppose actually SQL server database side also Enterprise edition is there. Oracle side also Enterprise edition. Enterprise edition means main edition, so don't worry. First observe it here. First concentrate here. Suppose I am working in a company. For example, my company using a what Java software. For example, I am working in a Java project. For example, Java, Python, these type of .NET, these type of front-end application also required database. Really, some type of applications are there. No, Java side JDBC applications, .NET side ADO.NET applications, like PHP side database applications. Connection is required on our web-based application side. That's why whenever I'm working in a Java project in my company, for example, I'm working in a JDBC project. In that project side, always they are preferring a what? Oracle database, for example, client asking, okay, so now requirement is Oracle database. Whenever they are using a what? Backend stored procedures, storing data purpose, Oracle database, they're using, for example, okay, fine, Oracle database. But unfortunately, whenever client decided what Oracle database only, use it in a way this front-end development web applications, for example, side. In that case, before we are working in a way in a JDBC projects, higher authority person in your team only higher authority persons are there in a Java project side. Those persons are giving a what original software to where your team only original. But before they're giving a what original software to your team only, then higher management level contact to where Oracle Corporation higher authority persons. Okay, sales persons only. Okay. For example, just here, Oracle Corporation, their contact only for purchasing a what original software side. Original, not a okay pirated this one. Okay, Oracle Corporation, their contact only. Software, okay, so purchasing purpose only. But unfortunately, Oracle Corporation salespersons only, these persons are telling a what? Yes, which edition do you want? They're asking only. Okay, for example. Yes, so many editions they are telling, 2 editions they are telling, for example, yes, Express edition is there and also Enterprise edition is there. Which edition do you want? They're asking, for example, Express edition, and also Enterprise edition is there in a Oracle database side, not a Oracle software side, Oracle database side. Okay, Enterprise edition is there, Express edition is there. Which edition do you want to purchase? They're asking. Enterprise business side, Enterprise edition is available. But unfortunately, these Java, .NET, Python, these type of front-end developers are mainly purchasing a what? Which edition? Anybody have an idea? Very good. One fellow is telling only really correct. Express editions only they are decided to purchase. Why? Any reason is there? First reason is there. Express edition cost is very low compared to where Enterprise edition cost is very low. Very low means lakhs of rupees difference only. Okay, fine. Original software no? Now here yes. Cost is very important. Now cost is very low. Yes, compared to Enterprise edition. Why cost is very low in a way Express edition means Express edition does not support all Oracle features. Really, it does not support all Oracle features. Does not support all Oracle feature means why they are using? Some fellows having a doubt. Reason is there. Does not support all Oracle features. All Oracle features. All Oracle features it does not support also. Why they are preferring a what? Express edition means cost based only, I'm agree. But so now Express edition is enough for developing a what? Web application purpose only. Why? Because these persons are Java, Python, yes, .NET, PHP. These persons are not using all the features in a way in a database. Not required. If only some features are enough only. That common features already supported by Express editions. That's why, yes, your pure database features, so many features are not required. That's why they are purchasing a what? Express editions. And also learners not interested to learn a what through Express edition means why what the problem is in Express edition only one user is there, system is a user or sys user is there. Scott user is not there. In that system user, predefined tables are not available. EMP, DEPT, sal grade, these practice tables are not available. Okay, na? Now here, suppose in a Windows recycle bin is a concept, you have an idea? Yes, that same concept is there in a Oracle side, 10G onwards, Enterprise edition side. Express edition, they are not giving a what that concept only. That's why some features does not support. So many features are there, but common features are available. But learners also not interested. Why me is the predefined tables are there, practice tables are not there maybe. But what is that one means? Observe it here. But some fellows are still they are installing our Express edition. But I am preferring in my class only Enterprise edition better because more features we are learning. But easy tables through accessing, write it. Express edition, some theory write it at least. We are not installing Express edition also, Enterprise edition installation, better to write it. Okay. Maybe some fellows are interested to download Express editions. Write it Express edition. At least today theory write it Express edition. Today some fellows are requesting only Good Friday, but not a problem. Just 1 hour class, no, not a problem. Slowly write it Express edition. In Oracle, write it in Oracle. Express edition does not supports all Oracle features. In Oracle, Express edition does not supports all Oracle features. Example, write it. recycle bin is not available in Express edition. For example, okay, just maybe without any knowledge, recycle bin you have an idea, normal Windows side, no? Same feature is there in Enterprise edition. Recycle bin is not available in Express edition. Okay, 1 minute, observe it here. Actually, Oracle 10G is a version is there. 10G onwards, same like a Windows recycle bin within a Enterprise editions. Recycle bin is a concept they are introducing in a where Oracle software side. That is very helpful feature. Suppose, for example, normally recycle bin you have an idea, Windows, same Windows features. Suppose in a where whenever we are okay, so now we are deleting a one document, for example. One document is there, for example, A is a document, for example, anything. Okay. Now I'm deleting a what? Observe it here. I'm deleting a what? This A document. Okay, fine. Whenever I'm deleting a what, that document automatically stored in a where? Recycle bin. That is everyone knows. Observe it here. Now this document is stored in a recycle bin. Okay, I want to get it back from the recycle bin. Means right click restore. We are using no same like in a where in Enterprise editions in a future practically we are learning only. I am dropping a table that is stored in a recycle bin. I want to get it back from recycle bin means same like a restore flashback table we are using. Flashback table is a command is there in SQL language we are learning in a future. Practically we are learning, but not today. Once you installing means you are understandable. Flashback table is a command, not a flashback query. Flashback table is a command only. Through that one we can get it back. Same like a restore. That much of features are there nowadays. Suppose here now check it out. I don't want to store in a recycle bin. For example, permanently I want to delete. Permanently you want to delete means then we are using a what? A shift plus delete. Yes, in a Windows side, just we are using a what here? Shift plus delete button we are pressing means then automatically permanently deleted or not permanently. Same like in a where yes Windows here if you want to delete a what permanently table in a where Enterprise edition means drop table name some command is there. Now here plus purge is a command is there. Purge. Drop table name purge we are using means that is permanently dropped. That's what these type of advanced features are available in a where whenever we are installing a Enterprise edition. Suppose my edition is an Enterprise edition. Don't write it. Just observe it. These are advanced features. Okay, fine. This is Enterprise edition I'm installing. In a future, you are also installing. Okay, fine. Now observe it here. Now I try to create a table, for example. Create table. Suppose today festival only Good Friday. Okay, fine. Now here I'm creating a one table. In a future, you are also creating a tables. Don't worry. Okay, and now I'm dropping this table means remove. Same like a Windows only remove. FRIDAY. Okay, fine. Friday. Now, whenever I'm removing this table, I am installing a Oracle Enterprise edition. No, that's where recycle bin is a concept is there. Same like a Windows. So now show recycle bin. I'm typing. Then automatically yes here oh maybe today okay some tables are there those time I'm deleting all the things are displayed. Friday is a table is there. This is a recycle bin something. I want to get it back from the recycle bin means in a future flashback some command is there table. We are learning that one. Don't write it today. Okay, yeah. Just I'm intimating to you same like a Windows only some commands are there. Don't worry. I am typing a what I'm experienced person means flashback table some command I'm typing. You are also within 1 or 2 days after you are also typing like this. This is SQL language command. Then whenever flashback completed same like a restore DSC. Now here a table first which one Friday Friday like this only. Now here yes here automatically the table is available. Again get it back or not? I don't want like this permanently. I want to drop means drop table name Friday. Purge is a command we are using. Shift plus delete is there, no same like this table is dropped. Simple commands in a feature you are also familiar. Nothing is there. Now logically observe it here. Now I want to view that a table means some commands. These are all commands only. One of these days you are good at what these commands. Now Friday like this. But here again I'm using a what flashback, it won't work. So now here, yes, object not in recycle bin. Like this is there or not? That's why in enterprise editions some extra features are available. Not only recycle bin, so many things are there. But first time newcomer recycle bin means they have an idea. But these type of things are not available in a where express edition. Okay, yeah. Now write it next para. Some theory, write it, practically very interesting, write it. Express edition cost is, write it, business side. Express edition cost is very low. Write it, this theory. Express edition cost is very low compared to enterprise edition. Express edition cost is very low compared to enterprise edition. Express edition does not have any predefined tables. Predefined tables are not there. Express edition does not have any predefined tables. Express edition only having one user system. System, some users are there. Don't worry, admin users these are. At least names purpose. Okay, write it. Express edition, write it. This series, write it. Express edition only having one user system. Actually, most of the learners are learning about who are working in a web-based applications, this front-end Java, .NET, Python, these are applications development purpose. So now they are installing a what this expression most of the time. Better to know that one, write it. Generally, their own wish, anything also outside pirated software, write it. Next para. Generally, express editions are used to connect client applications. Generally, express editions are used to connect client applications like Java, .NET, Python, PHP, etc. Okay, na? And now our edition, main edition, enterprise edition, better to learners. Okay, maybe you are a front-end developers also, learners better to install a what enterprise editions. Why? Because all the features it will be supported. In Oracle side, especially predefined tables, Scott user, these are extra things are available. That is advantage. But original software means cost is very high. But these are pirated softwares. Okay, so now trial versions are there. No, suppose whenever you want to interested to install means nowadays not a problem. Just here trial versions they are giving. Olden days amount they are asking about Oracle Corporation only in enterprise edition. But nowadays easy. Suppose Oracle software downloads. Here downloads. How can I means? I will tell you next. Don't worry. Here database is there. Here enterprise edition is there. Yes, have available. Here enterprise edition. Here zip file is there. You have to download this one only. Next, I will tell you. Then installation we are starting. Don't worry. Easy. Nowadays available in internet only. Write it side heading. Enterprise edition. Enterprise edition. Nowadays enterprise edition is also free. Trial software, not original. Okay, yeah. Olden days, okay, 10G, 11G, 12C, those type of persons are learning means that is the amount they are paying only. But nowadays they are giving a what Oracle Corporation free edition. Don't worry. Now observe here. Available, no, net only available. Okay, observe here. Enterprise edition, which persons are using a company side means pure database programmer. Suppose, yes, I am working in a where Informatica project, for example. Okay, that is a data warehousing project. Whenever I am working what Informatica is a project means Oracle database is required. Okay, fine. That is ETL tool. Yes, they actually these are pure database projects. That's why all the features are required. That's why these persons are using a what? Which edition? The Oracle Enterprise edition only they are preferring. Enterprise edition only. Enterprise edition only they are preferring. Nobody preferring in a company side Express edition because it is all so many versions are where edition. Okay, so many features are required. Suppose Oracle apps ERP they are using, for example. Otherwise, now here, yes, Oracle apps they are working only in a company side. These persons also using a what? Enterprise edition, because pure database, all the features are required. Suppose some persons are working in a, suppose I am also, you are also working in a where PlSql developer in a company side. Whenever they are working means PlSql developer means so many features are required only. That's why enterprise editions only they are preferring. That's why always pure database projects means enterprise edition only they are giving in a where company side. But outside also better to install trial versions enterprise edition compared to express edition. But nowadays free trial software, no, that's why there is no problem. Write it. You are installing next one means then you are understandable. At least theory write it today. Enterprise edition. Write it some theory. Enterprise edition supports all Oracle features. Enterprise edition supports all Oracle features. Enterprise edition cost is very high. How much cost we don't know, but very high. Enterprise edition cost is very high compared to Express edition. Write it. Enterprise edition cost is very high compared to Express edition. Actually, olden days onwards, enterprise editions, they are giving a system user is there, no? Not only that one, extra user. Some fellows are telling a Scott user, no? Scott user, HR user, these are predefined tables they are giving only. Now here, yes, these tables also available in a way net, in a internet only. These tables also available. Observe here, Scott schema tables we are typing also, it is displayed. Demo bld.sql file. That's why predefined Scott tables also available. Observe here. Practice tables also available net only. That's why here, observe here, I am typing no EMP, DEPT, bonus, sal, grade, dummy. These tables are practice purpose Oracle Corporation giving. Because table format only data is there, the tables through we are learning only. Okay, yeah. These tables you are copying also possible. But first observe it here. Oh, maybe Scott user having extra tables. Write it. Enterprise edition supports all Oracle features. Enterprise edition cost is very high compared to Express edition. Write it. Enterprise edition also having, write it. Enterprise edition also having extra users like Scott, HR. Enterprise edition also having extra users like Scott, HR. Enterprise edition also having extra users like Scott, HR. In Scott user, in Scott user, in Scott user, by default username is Scott. Default. By default, username is Scott. And password is Tiger. And password is Tiger. And password is Tiger. Okay, don't worry, this is a predefined. We are changing that passwords also. Practically, we are showing only to alter username identified by new password means possible. Okay, don't worry. But default they are giving. Okay, now here actually Scott user why popular means already I'm telling you these are predefined tables they are providing. Okay, write it. Scott user also having following predefined tables. Scott user also having following predefined tables. These are in a 19C side, that is Scott user available or not. Next we are learning, don't worry. But first generalized way. Scott user also having following predefined tables. These are first one EMP. EMP means employee table, don't worry. Second one DEPT. Third one sal grade. Fourth one, bonus. Observe it here. These are the tables are available. Okay, fine. In a Scott user side. Here, observe it here. EMP, DEPT. What is these tables? Also, I will tell you. Why popular? Also, I will tell you. Interview questions also. This table based only so many questions are there. These are predefined. Tables are available. Through these tables, very fastest way we are learning. Okay, fine. So many concepts. Spot user also having following predefined tables. These are first one EMP, second one DEPT, third one sal grade, fourth one bonus. Okay, na? Up to this one is enough. Okay, today because of first time, no, slowly small things I'm telling. Tomorrow there is no class only. Monday I will tell you these extensions, some settings are there. SQL plus tool problem is there. I will tell you that settings I'm telling. Then installation I'm starting. That is better, no? Once installing means nothing is there. Very easy. I am also, you are also easily you are interacting. Daily you are practicing. Okay, yeah. Up to some stage slowly I'm telling, because first time no newcomers are coming, non-technical persons are there. What is this terminology? What is this interpretation? Confusing one. Okay, na? Monday I will tell you. Tomorrow there is no class because Saturday, no. Today Good Friday, some people are requesting, but I am taking because yesterday only we are starting, no? Yeah. I am preferring a what interpretation better. Okay, na? Yeah. MacBook also we have to install, not a problem, but process you have an idea, then better. Okay, na? Yeah. Okay, na? Tomorrow there is no class because of Saturday, week off. Because some fellows are not attending means installation missing means problems. Okay. Monday will continue. Thank you. Next class will be on Monday. We are not showing a Mac users, only Windows side. Okay. Yeah. Yeah, administrators they are telling only Mac users and all. Okay, na? Thank you so much for attending this class. Monday will continue. Thank you. Another class. Monday will continue. At least terminology understood. Yeah, enough.